IITians are considered the cream of engineering in India. You will find most startup founders as IITians. IITians get jobs instantly, and that is where Indians are obsessed about IITs. If you look globally, Stanford stands out because it has one of the most best ecosystem for creating a lot of startups which are engineering that goes global and become powerful. Stanford graduates are also one of the most looked after folks. Now, what makes IITs or Stanfords as the places where the change or the magic happens? Whereas 90% of the Indian engineering graduates are not even considered job worthy. They are not even getting a good job when they graduate. What's the difference? How Indian students could make to that? We'll be getting into it. Before that, I'm Umang Surana. I'm a graduate from IIT Madras, considered as India's best engineering college, and I graduated in 2015. I'm also co-founder at ETG Career Labs Private Limited, where we are building an ecosystem that can enable each and every engineering student to be industry ready. Now, what makes an IIT or a Stanford kind of a system special? There are only few things: a great exposure, great interaction with industry, great access to resources, and a regular competition with the peers at a great level, which gives them all the skills that are required, be it problem solving, be it able to create things that industry wants, which makes them industry favorite. Now, how can any student get access to that? That's what we are doing at ETG Career Labs, where we are building an ecosystem where you can learn from industry folks, be part of the competitions where national folks are competing and you compete among the best, and be seen to the industry. Also, be part of the ecosystem where a lot of folks connect you with the industry, give you exposure of what happens in the industry and what not. Before I jump into details of what we do, hear from our students who have to tell how are they going through our programs.
It is like very great. I like the most how the videos are divided. Like each topic is divided very well, so that if I am getting any doubt, so I can easily go there. Like if I'm having doubt in multi-column data analysis, I can easily go there.
I'd like to add some points to this live session of EVs. The live session taken by Prajwal sir is really fantastic. I have attended almost every live session. I have hardly missed one or two. Okay. And Prajwal sir have given a lot of any angles to look into the topics and current going on technologies in the EVs. And
so my journey has been quite good. The staff at ETG is also quite supportive. I get my doubts solved at the earliest. And about the quizzes are very interesting to solve, sir. Like they are, very futuristic types. So it's a good thing for us.
Hello, sir. Journey was quite good. And one thing I want to mention here, it is not about the theoretical knowledge. It is all about the practical knowledge we got from this course and how things are working there. And about Tech Guru, it is very good and improving my personality after every 15 days. Yeah, it was good.
Sir, I'm enjoying the sessions. Actually, sir, my passion was collecting information about vehicles. This was an opportunity for me to join this course. And I think after 5 to 10 years, it would be a boom in this field. Better experience in this field would help me further. So I'm enjoying the course. Just I'm facing 2-3 problems which will get solved in upcoming live session. So it is good.
And also I like the Tech Guru call. Like it really helped me to show beyond like what I'm doing, what others are doing, and helping me to build like resume and LinkedIn, all the other profiles. That was great. It's like the interaction like every 2 weeks for 15 minutes shows where you stand, what I'm doing, what are the next goals, that all, like what are our issues and what should we do, like all this, like a mentor. My Tech Guru is also Arbaz sir, and he is really great with Tech Guru calls.
I like to ask doubts to the Tech Guru as they engage us on a mentor, on a 1v1, it is like on a very good level. So the course is going quite.
The tech guru means sets the milestone for the next goal to achieve, as well as he comes up with the new ideas so that we can explore and get the new waves to do the things and all. And my tech guru is Arbaz sir, and he really motivates me during my hard times and all. Whenever I get stuck into some concepts and all, so he get the thing sorted out like this. The things will be sorted out, and just in the second orbit it gets sorted out. And I really love one of the feature of this group. And rest about the videos and everything, I am from EV, so I think that the EV is going to be a very fantastic field ahead. And the courses means the videos going with that is really fantastic. I am enjoying a lot, and the journey is I am looking forward to it. Thank you. I think college also differs in the way that having industrial skills. So like we are ETG focuses on that, and that helps a lot in the campus interviews and all. So I think that makes a bit con to the college, and having a specialization here with ETG does a pro with us. Definitely, I will say the joining this course was the brilliant decision of my life. Yeah.
So for me, this course is adding a great value on my resume, I would say first. And apart from my resume, it's a total different domain from what academic syllabus I have. So I've been specialization in a totally opposite domain of my, curriculum based thing. So I'm getting an experience of my academic as well and the total different domain of it. So I have if I apply for somewhere and I should, if it reflects on my resume, I have specialized in this part. So I get an upper hand as compared to others. So it's kind of thinking I've been different from the crowd. So yeah, absolutely. The course, the content is very well, it has been designed in such a way that even if a new person comes and starts the course, he will get an idea what he is, investing his time. So the course content is very nice about it.
I guess when I joined, I had the intention of exploring data science and computer science as a completely different field. So I wanted to explore this myself. Taking this course has kind of given me a sort of a roadmap or steps to get through that. Like I would have jumped from one topic or the another and not doing anything correctly. But this course kind of gave me a particular lay to what should I do.
So yes, we are building something for the betterment of India. We are building a great community and great ecosystem where the engineers of today would be building an India of tomorrow. Be a part of the great ecosystem, be a part of the mission, and let's make India a great engineering nation. Thank you.